From the AKG homepage, go to 3D Cooler Configurator. We'll next select the product family you're interested in. From the Configurator window, use the drop-down and selection tools on the left to customize the products to meet your design needs. As you adjust the requested components, the tool will automatically update your product code, and after selecting the Update Preview button, view your adjusted 3D model. When you're happy with the product, click Download CAD and then select Add Formats. Here, you can browse from over 100 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works in your CAD software. Next, click Start Generation and your CAD model will be ready to download within seconds. You can also generate a custom PDF datasheet that includes configured part number, product specs, technical drawings, and more. This is great for those who need to access that product information but don't need a CAD file. To try the configurator, go to akgts.com and visit CADENAS to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.